Hi there, Mike Mullin here. Welcome to an installment of Homeownership by Design, here with Chris Little, RBC Mortgage Specialist. Chris, question for you. Credit score. We hear the term all the time. Can you tell us a little bit about credit scores, what they are, and how they impact mortgaging and availability to get mortgaging?
Yeah. Credit score is, it's the end result of many years of recording on how you borrow, who you're borrowing from, how often you borrow, and your repayment schedule, and holistically all of your balances on that day.
Right.
So credit score is important the day we look at it, but you have to understand that it's important today and moving forward as well.
Absolutely.
So what we want to do is, if we can give any proper advice moving forward here, is that if you do have an opportunity to pay a bill on time, keep your balances away from the limit on credit cards, that's going to help your credit score.
For sure.
Time helps out. So sometimes I'll meet a client that's early 20s that doesn't have a lot of established credit. Even with an excellent income, sometimes we do struggle because we want to see numerous trades on there to ensure that they can cover that debt, a line of credit and a credit card, maybe a car payment. I'm never going to advise that a client should take on more debt than they require, but that history, time will tell, and we want to ensure that a client is going to be able to manage, juggle numerous credit facilities.
Exactly.
For sure. So that it's many years in the making, that score.
Now, what if somebody's carried some credit card debt in the past, and they sit down with you, and your advice is to spend the next period of time, 2, 3, 4, 6 months, whatever, to get those credit cards paid down and will that have a definitive impact on your credit score? And how quickly does something like that happen?
I don't know exactly how long it would take. Every case is different.
Right.
Keeping your balances away from the limit is very important. By having a lot of credit card debt could also affect your debt servicing and really impact how much you can afford down the road. So if we can keep your credit card balances smaller the better, of course.
Absolutely.
We'll actually you'll be able to afford more home. So what that means, you could get into the neighborhood that you want to, could get onto the street that you want to, get into the square footage that you want to.
Right.
So it's making choices today for to have choices down the road.
Absolutely.